Hello, we are going to continue the course with a new video. At this video we are going to see how to create an event layer. For example, if we have a table with several coordinates and the number of the point, for example, we can create a point shapefile. In our municipality we can have the information in this format, in a table only with the coordinates. So firstly we are going to select the table option at the project manager, and then we are going to press new. At the file tab we are going to add a new table, and we are going to select the monuments and museums of Munich. This is the reference system, and the format of the file format is the CSV. So we press open, and we are going to access to the properties. From GBC 2.3.1 we have the wizard to select the options to load the table. If you don't have this option, you have to close that window, and then from Tools, Add-ons Manager, you are going to access to the installation from URL at the testing repository. Then you press Next, and you can find CSV Wizard. If you don't have it selected here, you have to select this plugin, and then you press Next. Then you would start the download, and after finishing you have to restart GBC. So if we have the CSV Wizard installed in GBC, we can see from New, Add, and at the properties we can see the wizard at this window. So from here we can change the character set, the encoding. We can select the regional configuration. If we have a CSV file with the first row with the names of the fields, we have to select this option. We can start in a different row, and we have to select the separator. In our case is the semicolon. So we can press preview, and here we have the different columns, and we can check if they are correct. So we can see the different type of fields, string, double, and here we can see the coordinates. So after accepting, we can accept here, and we have the different fields of this new table. We have the coordinates x and y, and we have another field called name, and we also have several museums or monuments with the information, a website. So after that we are going to create a new view. From view we press new, and we are going to access to the view properties menu. We are going to change the name, for example, Munich, and the reference system we have to select this one, 31468, but if you don't have it in the recent ones, you have to access to EPSG option. Then by code you are going to look for 31468. You press enter, and you only have one reference system. You press OK, and then you accept. And here you have the new reference system. And we have the table, the attribute table that we have loaded from the project manager. So now we have to access to the add event layer. Before that, we are going to add a new layer to have it as a reference. So we press add layer, add, and we are going to select the streets of Munich. With this reference system, because it has a PRJ file, we accept, and here we have a reference layer. And now we are going to load the event layer. So from this button, add event layer, we have to select the table, the CSV file, the monuments and museums. We press next, and here we have to select the fields that have the coordinates for the X and for the Y. We can have also latitude and longitude, but in our case we have a UTM view, so we have to select the X and Y. And we have to select the projection. If you don't have this reference system, because you have another one, you will have to select this one. So the same than the view. After that, we press next, and we have to load the transformation at as a layer, and we have to select the view. In our case, the view called Munich. And here, and we press finish. And here we have the different points, and this is an event layer, so it's a CSV file, but we can see it as a point file. But to have this layer physically in our disk, we have to export this event layer to a new shape file. So we have to press to activate this layer, and from layer export to, we have to press shape format. We press next. Here we have to select the path and the name of the new layer, and results, for example, Munich museums, for example, and the reference system 31468. We press open. This is the path and the new shape file. We press next. The original reference system is correct. Then we press next, all the records, and we export the layer to a new shape file. We have to press yes, and we close. So after that, we can remove the event layer. We press delete, and we have, I'm going to change the symbology. For example, I'm going to increase the size and a new color. And after accepting, we have a shape file, a physical layer in our disk with the different points. So this is another option to get the information, the geographic information from a table with the coordinates. Okay, see you at the next video.